All right, chicos, good morning, good morning. We are gonna go for breakfast here with our lovely friends, Jorge and Rose. Jorge Sr., George's father. You might as well come along, my friends. We are in Mexico City, El Centro, not far from Jorge and Rose's casa. 9:30 in the morning. Let's go, chicos. All right, guys, we're going to this hotel right here. I'll drop the link in the description. Hotel Stella. I can't see the sign. I think it's Maria. Get your shoe shined. Oh, that looks really
Will you
good.
get this?
Oh, that's yours.
Yeah, with
You're sharing that.
chorizo.
Oh, that looks really good. That's a lot of food.
Yes, isn't it?
Yeah, and yours looks good too. The avocado toast.
That looks nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that looks really good. I think maybe I get that next time. He's right inside there sleeping. Are you sleeping? Hey, are you sleeping?
And ask for more as well, Bob, because
Okay, taco breakfast.
this is a different pork.
Never lost.
They're a little fat on top.
Here's the post office. It's pretty cool in here. Again, the upstairs is closed. It's a pretty cool old building though, and they still use the post office. The other side is over there. That's open. That's a big lineup of people waiting to get into the post office over there. So it's still used. And why the upstairs is closed, I have no idea. The young lady wanted to look at Cece's paperwork, but no problem. They allowed him to come in here. I wasn't in this part. This part was not open. They had this closed. Yeah, this was closed when I was here. There's the old express bike. Well, that's it, my friends. We're gonna venture off. All right, chicos, this is the Gran Hotel, Ciudad de Mexico. Now, this is a unique luxury boutique hotel set in the heart of Mexico City, mi amigos. The present-day hotel was originally built between 1895 and 1899 on the site of a 16th century palace. Originally a trade center, in 1968 the building was converted into a hotel for the celebration of the Mexico City Olympics. All right, chicos, thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Hasta luego.